Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Andre Crafts Show. For today's video, I'm going to make these leaves. If you want your project to look sturdy like this, please watch the video until the end. These are the materials that I will be needing. I will be using a 3mm hook. This is the size of the wire that I'm going to use. A scissor. The length of the wire is 13 inches. To start, make a slip knot and make 12 chains. Insert your hook in the second chain. Make 1 single crochet, and in the next make 1/2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, and in the next 5 stitches make 5 triple crochet. You're gonna repeat this pattern on the other side except the last stitch, or should I say the middle or center stitch. So once you finish your 5 triple crochet, make 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch make 1/2 double crochet and make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Now to start on the other side of the leaf, make 1/2 double crochet, and then in the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and then make 5 triple crochet in the next 5 stitches. Once you finish your 5 triple crochet, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1/2 double crochet in the next, then slip stitch. To start in this row, I will be working with the wire, so grab your wire. It's tricky working with the wire, so make sure you have the right size. In this row, I will just do a single crochet in each stitches except the middle one. Make sure you include the wire while making single crochet. You can always adjust the wire later when you're done, so nothing to worry. So once you reach the middle stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch. You can now adjust the wire, stretch it accordingly, and prepare to make a single crochet in every stitch in the other side of the leaf. Once you reach the last stitch, make a slip stitch. The next will be our last row, so adjust the wire, make chain 1 after the slip stitch. After that, do a slip stitch again, so the repeat pattern will be slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, except the middle or the center stitch. So once you reach the middle or the center stitch, make 1/2 double crochet and another 1 double crochet in the same stitch and make a picot, chain 2, slip stitch, and make another 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch, then chain 1. Then continue the repeat pattern, which is slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1. Once you finish, make a slip stitch and make sure you cut the yarn with enough length to wrap the wire. Now you can adjust the leaf. This is why it's very important to have the right size of the wire, so it's not too hard to make an adjustment. So I'll just tuck in the wire and wrap it with the yarn. You can use a fabric glue or a glue gun to secure the last part. That's pretty much it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Feel free to share this tutorial with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and God bless us all. Bye!